I am going to show you how to create a math problem using Activinspire for Promethean boards. First, you are going to go over to File. Click on File and you will get a new flip chart. Then, if you see I have my pen available, I am going to write the name of my problem. I am going to call my problem Measuring. Then, after I have written my title, I'm going to create what it is I want to measure. I'm going to come over here and click on the arrow. Then I'm going to come up here to Insert and Step 2, scroll down to Shapes, click on Shapes, and then if you look over here you can see I have all different shapes. Let's say that we want to measure a square. So, Step 4, I'm going to click on the square and then I'm going to draw my square. Alright, there I have my square. Step 5, of course I need to go get the arrow to make sure I don't write another box. Step 5, I will go over to Tools. I will go down to Math Tools. Since I am measuring a square, I will click on Ruler. Step 6, I will measure the box. Now, since you are creating a problem and you want your students to measure the box, I would recommend just placing the ruler to the side so the students can move it and can measure their box. You can also, as you saw, you can rotate your ruler so that you can measure all sides of your boxes. You can use this side or this side of your ruler. So, your 5 steps that you will do to create a math problem. First, go to File and click on New Flip Chart. Second, select the pen and write your title. Third, go up to Insert and click on Shapes. Then fourth, choose your shape and draw it on your slide. Fifth, go to Tools and Math Tools and click on Ruler. There you have your steps in order to create a simple math problem using an Activinspire Promethean board slide. Now, a side note on this presentation that I created, I used worked examples by going step by step and teaching you the steps. I also used modeling examples where I modeled what you needed to do, and I gave example of how to do it. And then if all of you had Promethean boards and Activinspire on your laptops, I would go ahead and have you practice one of the examples, and I would make sure that I would fade from the worked example into the problem as a good e-learning practice. Then I would have you create your own example using either a different shape, a different instrument to measure, and then I would have you write down the steps saying how you created your math problem so that you can reflect on how to do it. And that's how I would create my worked example.